Now you could see on the balance over here I'm having 25 USDT, which is $25, and I've gotten this for free using someone's referral code. And for you to be able to also get this, you have to go through some processes which I'll be showing you later in this video. So without wasting much of your time, I'll go ahead and then show you how to sign up and then get your free USDT, and then I will explain you how to withdraw it when the time comes. So let me go back to another browser and then show you how you can sign up and then be able to get your free 25 USDT. Now on my new tab over here, I'll be pasting in my referral link from my account. I'll be leaving the referral link and then the referral code in the video description or in the comment or in the pinned comment of this video. Make sure to check it out and then be able to register and then get this your free 25 USDT. And remember, you can only get the 25 USDT if only you use someone's referral code. So you have to use my referral code and then be able to get the 25 USDT for free. Now I'll be showing you how you can be able to sign up and then get the 25 USDT, even though it is very easy to do, but some people usually find some of my things a bit difficult to do. So I'll be showing you here and then you can follow and then do exactly. Oh, I guess I have to. Okay, so we are in. So when you click on my link, you'll be redirected to the sign up page automatically. So now over here you can see there are some fields that are necessary for you to fill, and on the first field over here is your name, and this name must be the one on your government ID card. And then your country, it must also be the one on your government ID card. Your phone number, it should be an active phone number. Your email, it should be an active email, because anytime that you want to log in into your account, a one-time password will be sent to your Gmail that you have to copy and paste before you can be able to log in into your account. And then your password, it should be a very strong password mixed with letters, characters, numbers, and so on. And then after you are done with that, you have to click on this box over there which says you should accept the terms of use. And when you are done with that, you just simply have to click on the register button. But in case you didn't click on the link in the video description or the pinned comment, and you just come directly onto the platform, you might want to go to the referral section over here and then copy the referral code I've placed in the video description or the comment section, and then paste it in this field over here, and then be able to get your free 25 USDT. But if you click on the link, it will automatically be pasted over here, so there's nothing for you to do about it. You just have to click on the register button over here and it will register you for the platform. Now let me go back to my main account and then explain you everything. Now when you're done with the registration, 25 USDT will be given to you as a reward for being a new user on the platform. Now UltraPro is a new exchange app or site coming into the system, like how Bybit and then Binance and then those other exchanges are in the system, whereby you trade, buy, sell crypto, P2P, and then all that stuff. That's what they are also planning to do. So they are looking for users to come onto the platform and then use the platform when they get to release all the features for availability. Now for you to be able to withdraw, you first have to do an identity verification, which is not yet started. and this will be started on October 9th, which is probably like 2 weeks away from now. Let me show you something over here. Now if you go to the deposit option over here, you could see that they say the deposit option is coming soon, which is trading launches on 9th October. Complete your KYC and you'll be able to deposit and withdraw seamlessly. But let me tell you something over here, a little advice for you. When it gets to when it's October 9th and everything, all the features are working, please don't deposit any money into the platform. If they ask you to deposit any money into the platform for you to be able to withdraw your 25 USDT, because when I contact the customer service or their support team, they said the only thing that is needed for you to be able to get your free 25 USDT is doing your government ID verification, and when that is accepted successfully, you'll be able to withdraw your 25 USDT without having any problems. But nobody knows what might happen on that day, so when they ask you to deposit any amount for you to be able to withdraw that 25 USDT, please don't do it, because you'll be saying that I'm the one that tell you to sign up for this scam or whatever, even though I myself I don't know whether if it's a scam or not, but just bringing it into your notice for you to join early, because this is how some of the projects or systems work. When you join early, you make huge profit from them. So that is all for today. Very simple. You just have to sign up using my link or the referral code in the video description or the pinned comment to be able to get your 25 USDT for free. And please remember, don't deposit any money if they ask you to do so on that 9th October. And if there is any updates regarding the platform on that 9th October, whether if the withdrawal will be successful or not, I'll make an update video regarding it and then post it over here for you to see. And for you to be able to get that update, you first have to make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and then you hit the like button for the video, so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get a notification about the video and then watch it. So thank you for watching the video. Please have a great day. Bye.